Hi guys. So today I met with two companies on the place where my tiny house will stand. It's not a construction site yet. And luckily the landlord was there as well, because I didn't see a word in the plan which said a full story, and or I didn't understand it completely. I looked it up this evening, what a full story house means in Bavaria, and now I can't construct an A-frame cabin anymore, because I need a certain height to fulfill, well, the plan. Okay, and everything was very exciting today. Also, the weather was exciting. There was snow and ice and rain mixed all at the same time, and it was difficult to drive. In one moment I got stuck. I couldn't continue because my car couldn't cope with the ice on the street, and I needed some trials, but then suddenly it worked and I could continue to drive. And then when I arrived here, I participated in a live stream, and it was from the YouTuber Laken. She makes videos about planning, and today she gave us feedback on our goals for this year. And I told her one of my goals was that I want to complete one episode of one series before I begin to work on one episode of another series. And I told her that I have 15 series, and she was surprised. I said I'm maybe multi-passionate, and she said that's okay, but I should try maybe to use the other series as reward to complete one of the other episodes. And also this video is too long for a short, so I will upload it twice, as a video and as a short of a minute. Okay, see you in the next live stream or video or short. Bye bye.